Yeah, so, it's getting late. If you want, we can go to my place.
I thought you'd never.
I hate these! Forget the news story, run! Stop, help me! Hey! Is that a fire? And sorry about that. We're switching to the helicopter view. There are ongoing reports of violent assaults. Suspect rioting. Mutant objects. Was monster objects not rooted up for them? Oh, yes, right. If they look scary, it's just because they blew in from outer ring. So, Spool. Huh? You want to get out of here? Oh, sure. Did you see what that was? Citrus was... Sorry, be quiet, listen. No, I can't die like this.